Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Looking at XLK, Apple, and Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, so a potential bull flag setup. It's similar to the consolidation we saw back to start May. Couple day pullback, bulls buying the dip with the lower wicks, and then continuation to the upside. So that is the current setup. Bulls are still certainly in favor. 55.45 and 55.53 are the only resistance levels we have, and the bulls are right at those levels with momentum heading to the upside. Weekly time frame shows no sign of slowdown. 4 weeks in a row of straight upside with tons of strength. We've got gap up opens, we've got follow through, we've got strong closes. No sign of the bears anywhere. We have a new higher low established, 55.10. Anything above that level keeps the bulls in full control. Apple on the daily time frame, look how similar that setup is. Similar bull flag consolidation, continuation, same setup. Looking for that continuation. We're on the verge of an all-time high. We came, 17 cents shy today. So looking for a new all-time high tomorrow. The bulls are right there. The upper Bollinger Band on the daily will be a resistance. The weekly time frame, extremely strong, no slowdown. Close at the high last week, close up near the high so far this week with one trading day left to go. And these are ideal charts. Lead bull is Apple in a lead bull sector of the tech sector. Facebook on the daily is consolidating. We have our high, low the pullback, lower high, higher low, tightening range. The current range that I'm watching is 148.86 support and 152.59 resistance, and watching to see which direction we break in. We're closer to a bear break than a bull break. Facebook is clearly one of the weaker tech names compared to the beasts like Apple and Google. And right now we're watching, if we see the tech sector pull back, Facebook would be one of the first names that I looked to in that sector to see weakness. But if we don't see weakness in the tech sector, obviously the bulls are going to hold on just fine. So the weekly time frame here, also a potential bull flag, although it's an inside candlestick, so it's actually more so of a pennant or a triangle. And that's what that equilibrium pattern that we're currently seeing is doing. It's tightening up. Higher lows and lower highs, forming an inside bar on the weekly time frame, and this inside bar will break next week, and we'll be watching for that break for an indication of direction. So that's what we've got heading into tomorrow. The bulls certainly have lots of control in the sector, and they are running this S&P 500 with their momentum, and we're watching to see if all these names that are in blue sky break out. We've got Amazon, Google, and Apple all sitting on the verge of blue sky, as is XLK, and we're going to test them all tomorrow. So we'll check back in over the weekend and see how it plays out. Thanks for watching.